Beautiful beach, eh? But I want to talk to you about some serious matters.
But don't worry, there will also be cute little animals. But first the intro.
Today I went to the animal shelter here in Koh Lanta, which was quite an experience.
Buckle up, cute animals ahead.
The shelter does such an amazing work with purely volunteer help. People that just decide to stay there for a couple of months and help. That are running the show, and they're purely dependent on donations.
So here's what you can expect from visiting the shelter. Right upon arrival, you'll be greeted by cute little animals. You can join a guided tour of the shelter with the history of the place, the setup and the daily routines I explained. First we visited the cat house.
So this is the Happy Cat House, probably one of the plenty of times to come in it, but...
They're currently collecting money for building a new cat house, Kitty City. At the moment they're about $20,000 US short of reaching the donation goal.
There is a link on our website to our crowdfunding page.
After that, you get to the section of the new arrivals, some of them severely injured. The stories you hear are heartbreaking.
You see a lot of street dogs and stray cats here, and people usually treat them very, very badly. They mention cases where people had thrown boiling water over dogs. One dog was attacked with a machete, another one that was shot at. And they take those animals in, they take care of them, and also try to sort of re-socialize them, make them get used to, or build some confidence or trust to humans.
And the volunteers work hard on that. Here's the kitchen / control center of the shelter.
This is actually volunteer space, so we all work in it.
And this is where they keep the dogs.
Wow.
I don't know. This poor one came in with the machete gas. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, you notice where the gash is from, nothing to do with any of them. We recently adopted out one of her siblings. Four little puppies. So this is Coconut. Coconut has been adopted.
Ideally, they giving them away for adoption.
Here's some pooches that have found a new home already.
If there's a cat or dog that is going to a family in Sweden, I could offer them to bring it with me. We also went on a walk with an interesting group of dogs.
Yay! Oh, your friend!
Yeah, let's have a look.
So this is Brave. This is Dang Dang. The dog's been shot. Fortunately, the bullet is too close to his heart, so we can't remove it. This is Wayne. He's around 8 years old.
And Rosie, the star of the place. Hey, Rosie. Loved and adored by everyone. Rosie got adopted and will go to LA in a week.
Hey, we're Junior.
And off we went on our walk.
Dang Dang, let's do this. Come on, Dang Dang. Cute puppy. Ding ding.
Already 1 minute in, the dogs clearly signaled that they didn't want to go with us for the heat.
Well, Rosie, you're better than your friend.
But once we convinced Rosie to move, the others followed.
Good puppy. Come on, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Yeah, Rosie. Yeah.
Uphill Rosie sometimes needed a push. Not downhill though.
Now we're talking.
And finally some well-deserved refreshments.
Yeah.
And we got to cuddle with some kittens.
Kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. So if you hear anywhere else where they're having such an animal shelter in Southeast Asia, please go and visit and leave a donation. You get to cuddle with some kittens and puppies. There's also a website. I post the link below. You can donate on the website. You can set up monthly donations. Just have a look and maybe adopt a cat or a dog if you find a cute one. Really adorable. Alright, see you later.
Hey.